How's it going, everybody? This is always back with another video on the channel. This is another bug fix video for Ionic 3 framework. Well, I work with Ionic pretty much every day and I found a bug, and what I'll do is I'll create a video about it so it could help other people as well. Very short video. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Well, when you run application in simulator and you want to do a live reload, so the command you use is this one: Ionic Cordova run iOS --live reload --external. After running this command, I'm facing this problem. So the message says doc.find is not a function. Well, this is not a part of my code. Why this is happening? Well, I've tried to research online and couldn't really find a solution to it. So after doing a lot of research and trying different things, I found one thing, which is basically a problem in ios.json file. We'll take a look at that, but first let me run this code again with that same command and you will see you getting this error. Okay, as you can see, we got the same error. Now let's do the fix for this. Open ios.json file in your iOS project, which is in platform folder. In this file, you're gonna have to find this _-info.plist key. Basically, remove this with all its keys. After removing that key from ios.json file, you need to use this flag --no-native-run. Once you do that, then you will see your application will run in the simulator and it will be started automatically. And if you make a change in your code, this will basically update the app running in a simulator as well. Okay, so as you can see, simulator just automatically started and I could see the app running as well. Hope this quick tip is helpful to people facing this issue. If you like the video, subscribe and like the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Cheers.